So what's going on, guys? Welcome to Krypton GFX, and sorry for uploading after a long time. So in this video I'm going to be showing you something special, which is how to make gradients in PixelLab. So let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see, I am in PixelLab. So the first thing you want to do is, once again guys, click on that button and delete the text layer, and don't add any text layer because you can't make the gradient then, and click on that again so that little bar goes down. So click on that fourth option in the down layer, click on color. You will be on the color option, but you need to go on gradient. Okay, so as you can see, there are some gradients I have made here, so you need to click on any gradient. There are many gradients pre-installed in this, and click on that little plus button you see there. Now you can see two arrows. So the first arrow is the first color of the gradient, and the second arrow is the second color of the gradient. So as you can see, I clicked on that second arrow and I can choose the color I want to make for the gradient. So as you can see, now I selected this light turquoise color. So as you can see, this is all of it, guys. Hope this video helps, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace, guys.